morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. We are inside the Alfa Romeo 4C, headed to Phil's Coffee to meet up with Bobby and then drive up to Alice's. It's like, you know, one of my favorite places to go, one of my favorite places to eat as well. So yeah, but first coffee, drive, eat, and see what kind of cars we find up there. Damn, I thought I was early. Check out that handsome son of a... Alright, I don't know if you guys see that, but yeah, you can see a lot of smoke, some kind of fire. It's in a, I don't know, doesn't appear we're going towards it, but it kind of does too. Oh shoot, that is a big fire. Oh boy, I don't know. Looks like a tree fire. Tree fire. Alright, if this looks familiar and you watch my channel, going up Alice's, it just never gets boring. Nope, not at all. Here we are, Alice's. Yeah, doesn't seem to be any supercars or anything out here Monday morning, but you never know. All right, here we are. If you haven't seen Alice's on a Monday with no other cars around, and by cars I mean like supercars, sports cars. Yeah, we got this nice G-Wagon here with some bicycles and Bobby and I. But that is it. Let's go get some food. Sorry guys, I couldn't wait. I was hungry.
I'm gonna have the Alice's on.
Hello. What's up? Coffee. Bless you. All right, all done eating. We got this beautiful C7. We got Bobby's 996 Turbo. We got my 4C, and we got a smart car. Well, yeah, super quiet out here today. Well, breakfast was really good. I just realized something. I think I might have said it's Monday. It's Thursday. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm losing track of the days. It felt like a Monday. Probably because there's some Mondays where I hang out with Bobby because he's not at work. But today's Thursday. If I said it was Monday earlier, it's actually Thursday. And if I said it was Thursday, well then I knew I was right. All right, we are back home. Yeah, always nice to hang out with Bobby, go up to Alice's. It's so funny because I was like, it's Monday. And that probably explains why there wasn't too many cars out there. You know, a lot of people will have that 3-day weekend as their normal schedule, and they'll go up to Alice's. But on a Thursday, we're really the only ones out there. The food is always good there though, so can't complain. Really, the only reason is to, you know, go out there, have breakfast, support local, and have a nice drive, even though it gets slow sometimes going up and back down. But as you can see in the video, it got a little bit faster going back down. That fire, that was pretty crazy. I don't think it was a building or a car, or maybe it was a car that went down. This is what Bobby was saying, or it could have just been like a homeless encampment where they just might have accidentally started a fire. So anyways, the Ducati, gonna work on that today. That'll be another video. But if you guys like this one, make sure to give that a thumbs up. Share with anyone that might like this type of content. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.